So hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Explore IT Issues. So today we are going to learn one of the most important networking commands called traceroute. So with the command we can check how our data reaches a website, which router are involved, network delays, and where the issue is happening in the depth. If you want to understand networking in the real practical way, this video is going to help you a lot. So let's start it. So first we need to understand what is the reachability, correct? So I'll show you. So what is the reachability? So what is the reachability? Whenever we open a website like Google or YouTube, our computer sends packets through multiple routers and network before reaching the destination servers. This process is called website reachability. For example, your laptop, router, ISP network, Google servers, all these devices help your packets reach the website. So sometimes website do not open. So what is the reason of behind this? So routers issues, ISP problems, packet loss, high latency, firewall blocking. To troubleshoot this, we use traceroute command. Correct? So now we can understand. We need to understand what is the traceroute. So what is the traceroute? Is traceroute send for the trace route. This command show every hop between the source and destination, packets travel path, delay at each router. In the simple word, traces the journey of your packets. Understood? So for these information we can check via the new let's do practical demonstration. Correct? So first we need to click on the start menu like this and search CMD command prompt. Now we are input here traceroute command, TRACERT traceroute. Suppose that google.com. Okay, so when we have hit enter, we got some information. I will explain you step by step. Correct? So see this. So the first line is, this means tracking route to the Google and the IP of this. So this means DNS converted google.com into an IP address. Correct? Over the maximum 30 hops you see here. Okay, so first hop is your local router IP or local internet gateway like this, and the second is the ISP router 10.184.105. It's your connecting via the ISP which they have used the router. Their IP is from their side. So here the packet is ISP backbone network. Okay, then the next is ISP routers again. Okay, one packet is dropped due to some security or something reason. Again it's going to the ISP end. Okay, the fourth hop reserved for echonet.in, where your connection is purchasing or where his connection is taking from your ISP the name of this ISP name. Okay, now the 5 is now traffic entered in the Google network. The 5 hopes is your traffic is entered the Google network. This is a Google IP address. Okay, then every router crossed by the packet is called hop. So router 1, then ISP router, then backbone router, then Google's router. So each is count as one hops. So the latency means, here is the latency which is we receive the MS or something. So the latency means the measured in the millisecond. So this is a millisecond, measured in the millisecond. Lower latency means faster communication. better internet experience, and high latency means slow website, gaming lag, and video buffering. Okay, so Trashart work using TTL. TTL means time to live, like this. I'll show you time to live. Okay, so each router decreases the TTL by 1 when TTL becomes 0, and TTL becomes 0. I'll show you. Just ping google.com and you receive the TTL is 119. So this means this is a TTL, time to live. So when TTL becomes 0, router send a reply back. Once the time is TTL is showing 0, then router reply back. This helps Trashart discover every router in the path. Okay. The section 8 troubleshooting example I will told you. So that you can use the Trashart command: slow internet, website not opening, routing issues, ISP problems. If the Trashart stop at ISP router from here, like suppose that your Trashart is going from your gateway, then it stop from here. It means your traffic is not going forward to the website or going forward to the globally, I mean cloud, Google Cloud. Okay. So if the final destination is not reachable, server may be down. It means. So ping command is using for the only tells whether destination is reachable. So Trashart tell how packets reach. So ping command is using for the whether destination is reachable, and Trashart tell how packets reach destination. So today we learn what is reachability, what is Trashart, how packet travel, what are hops, what is latency, and how to troubleshoot network issues. If the video helpful, you understand networking practically, then like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below what topic you want next in this networking series. See you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching our video.